Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 720. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 720 is getting so hot it burns to touch, you're not alone. This overheating problem usually occurs due to dust buildup and inadequate ventilation, which can lead to hardware damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this issue may result in permanent damage to your device, affecting its performance and lifespan. To tackle this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, compressed air, and thermal paste. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the base cover with your plastic opening tool, sliding it along the edges to pop it off without damaging the clips. Once opened, locate the cooling fan and heat sink, as these are often the culprits behind overheating. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the fan, gently lifting it out of its place. Be cautious with the fan's connecting cable, gently disconnect it from the motherboard to avoid any damage. Now, with the fan removed, use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris accumulated in the heatsink and surrounding areas. Remember to hold the can upright and avoid tilting it to prevent moisture damage. After cleaning, apply new thermal paste to the processor before reattaching the heatsink and fan, ensuring even coverage. When putting everything back together, carefully reconnect the fan cable and secure it in place with screws. As you close the device, double-check that no cables are pinched and that the base cover clicks back into place securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent future overheating, consider cleaning the vents regularly and using a cooling pad while working on demanding tasks. Additionally, ensure your device is used on hard surfaces to promote better airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.